This video is on the ChemDAQ SteriTrack area monitor. This is the peracetic acid monitor. So, actually I'll show you the base. This is the installed base here that gets mounted into place first. Then, actually I'm going to separate the sensor from the SteriTrack. This lines up with the connector on the mounting unit, and you can see how there's a connector place for a screw here and also on the top as well. So if you line those up and press it together, it'll mount into the base unit. And to mount the sensor, you can see there's like a little interface board there. You put the sensor towards you. This is actually a demo. There wouldn't be any switch here. This is a demo to force alarms and stuff. This slides together, fits into place. So that's how they fit together. I'm going to turn this on. You can sort of see it booting up here. Okay, so the only real button that you're normally using is this button here. The sensor is going to come calibrated. I believe all of the sensors for this are good for 4 months, and then every 4 months there's an exchange program that they send you a calibrated sensor. So if you put it in, it may take a while to stabilize to 0 in a clean area. But you can see this button here, the red button. If I hold that down, it'll come up. I'm still holding it down. It comes up in menu. I release it. If I hold it down again, I've got low alarm, high alarm, the volume, and zeroing. So if it took a while and it wasn't zeroing the sensor, I could go to 0, click it. Now it's going to 0 that sensor. There's an audible alarm here as well. So it's zeroing, and now it's going to go through, show you the different alarm points. So I'll show you changing the low alarm point as well. So it's back to reading real time. I hold this down till I see menu, I release. Then I hold it down again till I see low alarm, I release. Then I click it once, and this is different because if I want to go up, or sorry, it's still one button operation. So if I click this, right now if I hold it down, it's going up. If I start clicking it, it's going down. Once I hit the value, so say if I want to change this to maybe 55, I stop it and I just let it sit there till it times out, and then it'll acknowledge that setting. Okay, so now it's gone on. It's showing the high alarm now, showing the volume set to 8, and it's gone back to real time. So that's the basics of this unit.